My name is Sbarski. I work for a company called A Cloud Guru, and I'm VP of Education and Research. I think my very first memory was seeing a computer at my dad's work. He is a scientist, and I went with him to his office, and there was a computer, and this was, by the way, this was like late 80s. And I was like, what is this amazing thing? I think he had a game on or something like that, and I was just glued to the screen for hours. And I think a lot of people my age kind of started the same way, right? Seeing a computer, seeing a game, and then just being unable to let go for the rest of their life. The first language I learned was C. And I remember learning it back in the days, pre-Windows. This was like early DOS days. And yeah, my God, the power at my fingertips where I could do things and run commands and make little applications. Incredible. When I started learning programming and technology, it was actually kind of hard, right? Internet wasn't really a thing. I remember early computing magazines. They were amazing because they came out once a month and you could often find good answers. But even that was hard. Once a month isn't, a regular thing. So now with the proliferation of internet, so many helpful resources available, it's incredible how quickly you can learn. And the fact that you can get really high quality education really quickly and in an affordable way really changes the game. So I'm very fortunate to have been named an AWS Service Hero. I think it just means that I talk too much about serverless, but it's just too much fun. I get an opportunity to go to events and speak on this topic. I get an opportunity to learn from others and contribute to things like blogs and books and courses. And I get to learn heaps from others in the field. So the community is very important when you're trying to learn a new technology, because the issues, the problems that you're facing, someone else has also faced them or is facing right now. So if you reach out to people on Twitter, on Reddit, on other various forums, you will get answers, help. I think that overall engagement in user groups is growing because people want to share what they've learned. They want to learn from one another and they want to tell their story. And it's like we started our user group for that same reason. There was no one talking about serverless architectures. And we were like, this is amazing. Everybody has to hear about serverless and how we do things and what we think. And at the same time, we want to learn from others. What is best practice? How are they solving some of these challenges? And so that's why we really started that user group, our meetup. And we've had the most amazing time learning and talking to others in the same boat as we are. I think the coolest thing I have built, or I have helped to build, was the A Cloud Guru platform. So the A Cloud Guru platform is a large-scale learning management system. And it was really the first large system built entirely on serverless technologies. So it was built entirely on Lambda and API Gateway. And it was incredible because we were kind of innovating as this technology came out. Technology matters because it can really change the world for the better. It can make education more accessible. It can democratize a lot of things that, the first world takes for granted, but is inaccessible in other places. So I think technology has this amazing power to bring people up and give people an amazing opportunity to succeed.